Hi everyone, welcome back to Black Cat Kitchen. I'm Daniela, and if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell because we post a new recipe every single week. Today, we're making chocolate depression cake. No, it's not the kind of cake you make when you're feeling down. This recipe originates from the Great Depression. There's no eggs, no milk, no butter. Completely dairy-free, perfect for your vegan or dairy-free friends. Now let's jump into the recipe.
You'll find a list of ingredients in the description below.
Get your oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
To a mixing bowl, add 180 grams or 1.5 cups of plain or all-purpose flour, 198 grams or 1 cup of granulated sugar, 3 grams or half a teaspoon of salt, 6 grams or 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 40 grams or 1/3 a cup of cocoa powder. We're going to whisk this together until it's completely combined and uniform in color. To 236 milliliters or 1 cup of water, add 15 milliliters or 1 tablespoon of a light vinegar and 5 milliliters or 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Just give that a little stir so it's all combined. To our dry mix, add the water and 80 milliliters or 1/3 a cup of oil. I'm using a neutral vegetable oil.
Because this recipe doesn't use any eggs to make it rise, it's the baking soda and vinegar that does that job. You'll want to make sure to mix it quickly and get it into the oven so that you get the highest rise possible on your cake. It's okay to have a few lumps in the batter when you're mixing it all together. Just try not to have too many dry patches of flour. I've lined an 8-inch square pan with parchment paper.
Pour your deliciously chocolate cake batter into your prepared pan and straight into the oven. This is going to bake for 30 to 35 minutes.
You're going to want to let this cool completely and then onto the icing.
To 170 grams or 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, add 30 grams or 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Whisk this together until it's combined. Then add in 5 milliliters or 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and we're going to add in some water 1 tablespoon at a time. You can feel it start to thicken at this point, but you may need to add more water as you go. I'm going to switch to a rubber spatula to make this easier. It usually takes about 3 to 4 tablespoons of water to get the right thickness of icing. We want it to be fairly thick so that it stays on the top of our cake. And once it's all combined, spread it over the top of your gorgeous cake and let it set.
You can easily dress this cake up for a special occasion by adding some sprinkles or some shaved chocolate or your favorite candy on top.
You only need a thin layer of this icing because it's so sweet. This is because there's no fat in it to take away the sweetness.
Thanks so much for watching. If you want another sweet treat, check out this recipe here. And make sure to hit that subscribe button down here. Let me know down in the comments below what your favorite cake is. I'll see you in the next video.